There's Jack Jack. He's really lovey today. He really wants to be pet today. There's Izzy. She purred for me earlier. Look at how beautiful Izzy is. A little blanket. Oh, that little blanket. There's Ginger. She did a little noise. Her fur is soft. Well, I guess I'll leave you to sleep again. And here's my bamboo plant that we did at school, but it's dead now because Jack Jack ate it. You can see that. That's that gray cat that was down there. Robo Sapien. That's going to be there forever. It got sanded. I sanded it. I made it in exploring technology class. Man, too bad it's going to die. It is actually dead because you can see the leaf is wilting down. It's a bamboo plant. Pandas eat bamboo like Robo Panda. Well, I just wanted to look at it before it got bad. I'm going to use this as a drinking cup to drink out of it. Yeah, it's dead now, you can tell. Ugh.